Another exciting week of construction progress has arrived at Spotify Camp Nou, with major developments taking place across several key areas of the project. From new ceramic lamas installations and compression ring advancements to visible progress inside the third tier and diamond structures, the stadium continues to move closer to its final form. Today, we will take a detailed look at all the latest changes happening around the site. One of the most impressive sights on the construction site remains the third tier. The seating bowl is becoming more complete with additional stair sections and safety railings now clearly visible. Even without the future roof structure in place, the scale of the stadium is already remarkable. Work is also continuing around the VIP ring and access areas, helping transform the upper sections into a more finished and recognizable stadium environment. Every week, the third tier looks increasingly closer to becoming operational. Construction teams have continued advancing the installation of the ceramic lamas on the stadium facade. While progress was limited over the weekend due to reduced activity on site, crews returned with strong momentum and began expanding the facade coverage once again. Preparations are also underway for future lama installations in additional sections, with mounting systems and alignment guides already visible. As more sections are completed, the stadium's exterior identity is becoming increasingly recognizable. The compression ring remains one of the most important structural elements of the entire renovation project, and progress continues at a rapid pace. Workers are actively installing additional XXL steel box sections, while crews prepare new support structures and pillars. Several key connection points have shown significant activity, with welding, inspections, and preparation work taking place throughout the day. The project is now approaching a stage where nearly half of the compression ring structure appears to be completed, representing a major milestone in the roof support system. Attention is also focused on the second concourse, where future fan facilities are beginning to emerge. Walls for bathrooms, hospitality zones, and food service areas continue to rise, especially along the lateral sections and goal sud side. Several areas have already been cleared of excess construction materials, creating space for the next phase of interior construction. This is an important step toward transforming the concourse into a fully functional spectator area. The diamond structures remain among the most active construction zones on the site. Each structure is currently progressing through a different stage of development. The most advanced diamond has already received extensive reinforcement work and floor preparation, placing it very close to future concrete operations. Other diamond structures continue receiving formwork panels, structural walls, and additional vertical elements. The overall transformation of these buildings is becoming more evident with every passing week. The Goal Nord section has continued progressing at a pace similar to Goal Sud. A new steel brace has been successfully installed, marking another important advancement in the compression ring structure. Construction crews also lifted additional XXL steel components into position shortly after completing the brace installation, demonstrating the efficiency of current operations in this section of the stadium. Another notable development is the arrival of a lightweight fill material being distributed in certain areas around the stadium. According to observations from the site, this material appears to be intended for filling and leveling operations while reducing structural load. Its use suggests preparations for future flooring and surface development phases. The future cafeteria diamond structure is showing visible signs of progress. Workers have begun constructing concrete block walls around recently completed structural supports. Machinery and crews remain active inside the area, indicating that interior development is now accelerating. This structure is steadily evolving from a basic framework into a recognizable functional building. Late in the day, construction teams completed another important operation by raising a new support frame and installing an additional pillar. With this latest installation, the project now reaches approximately 24 completed pillars and 55 installed steel box sections around the compression ring system, highlighting the rapid pace of structural progress. Another productive week at Spotify Camp Nou has brought visible progress across the stadium. From the expanding ceramic lamas and advancing diamond structures to major compression ring milestones, construction continues moving forward at an impressive pace. With more structural work and facade installations expected soon, Camp Nou is steadily getting closer to its new era.